Hey, hi guys. Very good morning. Is my voice is clear now? Everyone can hear my voice now? Okay, yeah. Thank you. So we'll start the session. Okay, before starting the session, I just like to know. So as everyone tried the assignments, what I have given you, I have given a big set. So as everyone tried that assignments, so for sure you have got a lot of doubts over there. So as everyone tried it, uh, the thing is actually what? Just go through. Yeah. Okay, you guys have few questions over there. Sure. Okay. Um, you want to unmute yourself, Shalini? Just a second, I'm going to unmute. So still everyone comes over there, we can just discuss a little bit about that. Hello? Hey, Shalini.
Yes, Murli. So you had
Yeah.
given one assignment about this constructor class, right? When you explained the memory allocation for static block and
Yeah.
non-static block. I was
That
kind of
is
stuck when I was doing the
that is actually the
constructor.
last assignment you're saying. Got it.
Yeah, the first one that you gave us, the
Got it. Yeah.
constructor.java program. Yeah, that was a little bit confusing. So if you can just quickly walk through that one, it would be helpful. Yeah.
Okay, the old assignment, huh? Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, we'll do that one. Yesterday's assignments, you guys tried?
Yeah, I tried some of them, but there are still a few more questions. I mean, uh, program that I need
Sure.
to try. They will let you know once I'm done.
Sure, I'll just give you two guys for 2 days over there. You can try it because actually I know that it's a big set. Okay,
Yeah.
you guys can try that one. So
Yeah.
that will give you more ideas on how to go further and then how to get the logics and all those things. So today I'll be just trying with just helping you on getting two programs I'll do with. So how to get the logic. So that will give you an understanding how to go further. Okay. So the constructors thing, just a second, I'm just taking it. Ishani, what is the program number? You have any idea?
The constructor, not this one. This one I have submitted. The previous to this, you had given a constructor.java program.
Okay, it's a program.
Yeah, the static and non-static memory allocation.
You have any idea what is the name of the program or something?
It was right there when you opened the previous folder, right?
This
The
one?
constructor. No, the
Oh,
second part, constructor.
sure, sure. Okay, I'll open that. Okay, yes.
I
So what
was a
is the
bit
doubt?
lost when the execution of the non-static blocks came. Every time there was an object memory allocated, should the non-static block be executed? Because the output that I wrote down was a little bit different from what I got when I executed.
Sure.
I
The
don't.
thing is,
Mm-hmm,
each and every time when an object is created, that
mm-hmm,
time the non-static blocks will be executed for sure. It might be in the static block level or it might be there in a constructor level also if I create an object.
mm-hmm.
Wherever I'm going to create an object, non-static blocks will be executed for sure.
Oh, okay. So every
Okay,
time there's
first,
memory allocation for,
yeah,
say,
how they execute, I'll tell you. First, the static block. Okay, how many static blocks we have? Only one static block.
the name
Correct?
constructor and
Yes. So it comes and executes the static block. Then after that we have the object creation. So now what will happen when the object is created, all the non-static blocks will be executed. Then after that, so which constructor is going to match over here? That is, it's a default constructor. So this default constructor will be executed. Getting? Now control comes over here, obj1.i and then static block. Static blocks is executed. Static block once it's executed, what will happen? Comes to the main function. Program starts. Now again, the object is created. Two non-static blocks will be executed. Then after the constructor which is matching. Right now this is a default Well, so default constructor will be executed. Control comes here. Then again I'm creating an object, but I'm passing an integer value. So what will happen? So right now two non-static blocks will be executed, and then the constructor which is matching with the integer value is this one. So this will get start to execute. Then again control comes here. Now what's happening? Once again I'm creating an object, but the thing is I'm not giving reference, and then after that I'm not giving the object name. But here also what? An object is created. So matching with an integer and double value. So this constructor, before that two non-static blocks and then this constructor, then again control comes here, then matching with double and then integer object constructor. So again two non-static blocks, then this constructor, then control comes here and then comes out of the program. Clear, Shalini? Hey Shalini, you have doubt? Hey Shalini, you have doubt? You have raised your hand?
I actually lost your voice for some time, so I mean your audio. So.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I'll just repeat it. I'll just repeat it one more time. Just a second. So the thing is, just a second. Non-static block would be executed before constructor. Yes, Rajnish. Each and every time before executing the constructor, non-static block is the one given first preference. And also constructors will be executed based on the what argument which is passed. But non-static blocks, for everything it will be executed. Okay, I'll repeat it one more time. So when my program starts, what will happen for me? First, the static block will be executed. Then it comes over here, print me static block. Then here I am creating an object. When I create an object, the two non-static blocks will be executed. Then after that, my side, the constructor which is matching right now is default constructor, because I'm not passing any argument. So the default constructor will be executed. Again control comes here. Then I'm printing the I value. So the I value will be 10, like that is printing. So then static block 2. Then now what will happen? All the static blocks are executed. Now control comes to the main function. Program starts. Then I'm again going to give an object over. That is, I'm going to create an object over there. So now what will happen right now when I create an object? Two non-static blocks. Then the constructor which is matching is default constructor. That will be executed. Then again control comes here. Then I'm printing obj.i. Once again I'm creating an object. So the constructor which is matching is right now is an integer argument. So what? Two non-static blocks. Then after that the constructor which is matching is this constructor which is accepting integer value. Okay, that will be executed. Then again control comes here. Now again what will happen? A new object is created. Now what will happen? Two non-static blocks will be executed. Then after that what will happen means right now it's accepting an integer and double value. Okay, so what will happen? This constructor, integer and double value constructor will be executed. Then control comes here. Once again I'm creating an object which accepts double and then integer value. So now what will happen? Two non-static blocks and then the constructor which is matching the double and integer will be executed. Clear? Clear now, Shalini? Guys, everyone is clear? Anyone has any doubts on this one? Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you. So now I'll just go with string class right now. So you're done with the constructor. So today just I'm going to tell you about string class. So I told you string is not a data type in Java. Okay, so string is a class in Java. So how it will be used? I'm having here two variables. One is str, another one is str1. Okay, so here I'm storing the rains have started here, the rains have started. The only difference over for these two things is actually what? Here H alone is small letter, it is capital letter. That's the only thing. Just again, there is a doubt. Do I have to install any software to my system? I'm joining from today only, so I need some information on the same. Hey Sarab Babu, okay. The thing is actually what? you have to install Java and then you have to install the Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse is actually what? It's a download. I've already forwarded these two documents. Okay, I'll just show you the document. So the document which I forwarded right now is Java installation execution process. Hey Rajesh, 2 minutes Rajesh, I'll explain your thing. Okay, so this is a Java execution installation process is the document name. If you come over here, I've just given you the installation of Java. Procedure for Java installation I've given you. How to install Java and then your JDK. Okay, I think so. The session, that is actually from my side. I started from the third class. So most probably the third class, if you just go through, at the beginning itself I have explained you about the installation of this Java and then Eclipse. It's just a half an hour or 45 minutes. If you go through over there I have explained about how to install Java and then JDK. Then after that, how to download and use the Eclipse. So that's what actually the first 1 hour most probably will be that installation part. So everything I have also given you with screenshots in this document. You can just go through this document and also you can install. And then after that, Eclipse installation and usage. Okay, that also I given you everything with screenshots only. Okay, you can just go through it. That I given you in which link you have to download, and then after that, each and everything will be with screenshots. You can go through this one. Okay, this is Eclipse installation usage. One is Java execution installation process. Another one is Eclipse installation and usage. These are the two things. Okay, yeah, Sharath. Rajnish, you have a doubt. So why we create object of string similar to integer? We do not create integer object. What is this? Why we create object of string similar to int? We do not create integer object. Hey Rajesh, I'll unmute you. I'm just a little bit, I have a doubt in your question. So I'll unmute you. Hey Rajnish.
Yeah. So you said that string is a class in Java, right?
Correct.
Correct. So similarly, I mean, we just say integer x equal to 5. That's correct, right? We do not create an object of, when we write a program, we do not create an object of, I mean, as an integer, right?
The thing is, objects are created for our classes only, not for the data types and all those things. Okay, you're saying how the string data type is being used. That's what your question, huh?
No, what I mean to say, like similarly when we say integer x equal to 5, we can simply, I mean, instead of creating an object, we simply say, I mean,
you want to show the program?
S equal to hello. Did you get my point?
S equal to hello. Okay.
Instead of writing string S equal to hello.
String str equal to the value I'm giving over there. That is, usually I'll be giving here integer I is equal to 10. Correct?
Yeah.
So this one is what means, see, this one has been highlighting in a different color. These things are highlighting in a, it's not highlighting over there. So that means these are all keywords. Okay, these are all keywords over there which is highlighting over there. The string is a class but acts as a data type here.
No, string is a keyword, right? String?
No, string is a class here.
Okay.
String is a class in Java. Okay, but in other programming language, string is a data type. Okay, if you see, all the data types also will have its own class. Okay, those things will be called as a wrapper classes. You might be heard about wrapper class. It's nothing, simple. Wrapper classes means that is actually our integer, double, float, bool, all those things are there now. So those things, for that it has its internal classes, that is called as wrapper class.
Okay, got it.
Okay guys? Is that your question? I answered properly, Rajneesh?
Yeah, I mean it's clear now.
You're clear now? Okay. Sure. Hey, guys, everyone can hear my audio? Everyone can hear my audio now? Yeah. Okay. So string right now. So right now str1 I'm having. So now if I give str.length, okay. So what is the output we are getting? It we'll see. Run as Java application. So I'm getting 20. I'm getting 27. So what I'll do right now, I'll delete the first few lines, so it will be easy for us to get a count. Run as Java application. See, I'll run one more time. Sometimes errors alone will be jumbling here and there. Okay, so this one. So I got 11. We'll see what is this 11 over there. str.length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is, spaces also is counted as a length over here. Okay, so in a string, the spaces also counted as a length. So if I give str.length, we will be getting the length of the string over there. Okay, the string class is a very important class for Java, and then in our Selenium also we use at the most. Okay, in Selenium also we use it very much in Selenium, because when we read some information from an Excel sheet, or when we read some information from the application, we need to compare it whether we got the proper information or not. So for all those things we use the string class only. Okay, what are the things I have shown here? Everything we use it in Selenium. So just a second, I'll just unmute everyone. Okay, so str.char@5 I'm getting. So what is this char@5 will do means? Okay, str.char@5, it's giving me a. What is this char@5? It's giving me a over there. I'm gonna show you that. So a is here. So what is the thing right now? I'm going to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but it's giving me for char@5 as a. That means it starts the count from index location. Okay, it starts from as the index location. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, char@5 will give you the index location of a. Okay, that is 5. It has been given for that is a. Same thing, index of yes. So index of yes. So the name itself is index. Okay, so that means index location. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why we have got 8 over here. Then index of yes, comma 9. See, I'm giving it in double quotes. Okay, so if I give it in, I can also give it in single quote over here, but if I give it as the information I want to find the yes from the 9th position. Okay, from the 9th position means I need to give it in double quote. That is, I need to start my search from the 9th position only, and then I need to get the yes. So if I see over here right now, okay, I'll make it back. Okay, I'll make it over there like this, and then I'm gonna run one more time. I will made the entire statement, then I'm gonna run right now. So str.length right now for this one is 27. Okay, then str.char@5 is a. str.index of yes is what right now for me at the beginning. This is what the yes. So that is 8. Index of yes comma 9. So that means what? Start me the search from this place, because already in 8 position we know that yes is there. So start from this position. So this is 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so index of the second yes is 15 over there. That's what I'm going to keep. So this is hard coded, but in our when you go to the Selenium or something, we should not use like this. We have to use it in a proper way. So how it can be used in a proper way? Means see, str.index of yes, what will happen? That will give me 8. So plus 1 will give me 9. So I can give like this. Okay, I can get me the search. Just a second. Just a second, guys. just a second, there is a question. If there are multiple s in string, okay, and we use index of, so what will happen means index of yes will get me always the first position only. Okay, index of yes will search here from here, which is the index first position. That's why I got 8. When I want the second position, I need to go with help of this option. Okay, str.index of yes, then comma 9. That means actually what? Start the search from the 9th index position. So instead of this one, I can give like this, str.index of yes plus 1. If I give that also will give me 9. So I am trying to give an information that actually what? Search the yes of the second position. See, str.index of yes will give me 8 plus 1 will give me 9. Then I am going to give str.index of yes. That will give me the second index position. See, 15. After that one, this dashes. See, here also it's printing me 15 over there. For these two things, giving properly. I want the third yes means. So what I can give over here, the same thing. This one I need to copy. Okay, this one gives me 15 plus 1 will give me 16. So str.index of yes, and then the entire information of this one plus 1 will give me 16. So this is what I given over here. So right now it's giving me -1. That means after the 15 position I don't have any yes. In case if I have an s over here, see, simply I'm having an s over here. Now if you run it, see, now it's giving me -1 here now after this one. See right now, it gives me 27. Okay, that is what. Clear, guys? So now I'll run this. Why did we use yes in double quotes instead of yes in single quote in the line number 13? Okay, so in the line number 13, okay, this is the syntax for that one. Okay, in case if I'm going to search for the second value, okay, that is I'm going to give a position. Based on position only the start should happen means I need to give it in double quotes only. That is I'm treating it as a string. It's not only I can give only one letter, I can also give 2 to 3 letters also. However I want I can give. That's what this one. Okay, that's a syntax. Now, str.index of hello, okay, it's going to identify hello over here. See, hello is not present over here. In case if there is no word or the letter is present over there in our string, that will give me -1. Okay, then str.equals str1. So I'm going to check whether this string and then this string is equal. So now what's happening? It's given me false. Why? There is a capital H here. This is a small h. Okay, if I want to ignore it, ignore the case sensitive, I need to give equals ignore case. What will happen? Both the strings, it will convert into small letter, then only it will compare it. So equals ignore case, that will give me true. Okay, it is not case sensitive, but equals is case sensitive. str.substring 8, 16. Okay, str.substring 8, 16. What that will do? Okay, 8, 16. We'll see what is that. I'm getting that s space hs have space yes. So this is important. See here. Okay, this substring you will be using very much in Selenium. Okay, so it's very easier also. See, 8, 16 means, okay, get the value from the index position of 8. So that means see 8 starts from here. Okay, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so then before the index position of 16. Okay, that is 8, start from 8 and then finish before 16 over there. That is still here. Yes space, have space, yes, that is 15. 8 to 15 will be taken and then given to me. That's what. Okay, so this is indirectly it is like 16 minus 1. Okay, so that's what. So before the index position of, okay, 16 over there, that is 15. 8 to 15 the character I need to get it. That's the thing. Then I'm printing this one. So anyone has any doubts still now what I've explained? So everyone is able to understand this concept? Clear now? Okay, there is a doubt. Ishani, yeah.
Murli, can you please repeat that line number 16 where you
Line
have
number.
to give index of, and you kind of have multiple indexes there, right? Index of
Sure,
index.
sure. Yeah, I'll explain that one. Apart from that, anyone has any doubts? Okay, so I'll explain that, guys. See here, what's happening? So str dot index of yes, what will happen? That will give me 8. What is the index position of this one? 8. So str dot index of yes, comma, I need to search the second yes. So that means this one I already know that actually it is yes. So plus 1, from there only the search should start. So that means I gave str dot index of yes plus 1. What will happen? That value will be right now what? 9, because this will give you 8 and then plus 1 will give me 9 over there. So I'm starting the search from 9. So index of yes, comma 9 I'm giving. Correct? So this will give me what? The second yes index position, that is 15. So now I need to give str dot index of, okay, yes, comma 15. I need to give it as comma 15. Instead of that one, what I'm doing right now means, okay, this one gave me what? 15. Correct? This one gave me 15. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that one plus 1. If I give, what will happen? This will give me 16. So that's what I'm going to do here. str dot index of yes, and then after that this entire value plus 1 I'm going to give here. That's what here. str dot index of yes, and then str dot index of yes. Okay, plus 1 is what? That was given me 9. So what will happen? str dot index of yes of 9. Okay, this one what happened? It gives me 15. 15 plus 1, that gives me 16 here. Okay, that's why str dot index of yes, comma, this one gives me 16. So I'm trying to identify the yes after that 16th question, from the 16th question. Clear, guys? Everyone is clear about this one? Shalini, you clear? Yeah, okay. So now we have done till here. Okay, now what I'm going to do means, okay, I'm going to take an array. With that I'm going to identify some information. So what is the thing? String temp. Okay, temp is a variable. Okay, still now we have seen about the normal variables. Now we are going to see about the array variables. So what is this array variables, how it works? So how a normal variable will be given for me? Integer I is equal to 10. I'll be giving. Same thing, array variable, how I will be. Okay, arrays is what means actually it's a collection of variables. Okay, collection of values. Okay, a variable can store only one value, but a collection can store, an array can store multiple values. So how, for example, if I give integer, okay, then I, okay, then is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, okay, 33 values as of I make. Okay, so if we give like this, what will happen? Arrays, so it will create me, okay, 3 memory locations. It will create me 3 memory locations here. Three memory locations has been created. So what is the array name? Array name will be I. Will be I, and then it will be storing 10, 20, then this will be 30. Okay, so this is how it will be stored. So the thing is, it has stored the values, but if I want to retrieve 20 or if I want to retrieve 30, how I can retrieve it? Okay, so arrays, it will be stored as per index location 0, 1, 2. Okay, like that it will be stored over here. If I want to retrieve 20, I need to give scissor of I of 1. This will print me 20 over there. If I want to change the value of this 30 is there, I want to change it. So I of 2 equal to 50. If I give, what will happen? This 30 will be now replaced with 50. this 30 will be now replaced with 50 now. Now this value will be 50. Clear guys? This is what arrays. Okay, yeah. So now we got this one. So the same thing I'm going to apply over here. This concept. So everyone is clear about this one. So this one actually what you can give in both the ways. This is also possible. Okay, the same thing I can also give. So here I have given now that information. I can also take it and then give here also. Okay, like this also is possible. Both the things are possible here. Clear? Both the things is what actually it's going to store the information. That's the only thing. So now I'm going to give here string temp, okay, and then the array. Okay, I make if a square braces comes means it denotes that actually it's an array variable which can store multiple values. Then I'm going to give str.split of a. Sorry. I think now it's clear. I think so. Sorry, my fan was switched on. So now it will be clear. I think so. So see, str.split of a. So what is this str.split of a? What it will do? So right now, split of a. So that means what will happen? It will take this one. Okay, this is what my information. The rains have started here. So split of a means, so what will happen? My memory name is what actually what? Temp. Temp is my memory name. So now it will be splitted like this. The rains. Okay, based on a I'm splitting. So THE INSH, then BEST, and RTEDHERE. Okay, based on this only the split will happen. Okay, so this is what. So we got this one. So it will be what? 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, and 3 over there. This is what we got over there. So this thing is we got. So what now if I give temp.length, what will be the length over there right now for me? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will be the length. Okay, that's what I got over here. See, 4 will be the length. Okay, then now the information. So right now if I want this THER, so what I need to give? I need to give what is the name of the array? That is temp. Temp of 0. Correct? Temp of 0. That will give me what? My DHER. The same thing if it is temp of 1. Temp of 1 will give me INSH. The temp of 2, that will give me VST. Then temp of 3 will give me RTER. The only thing is what is changing here, if you see, this 0, 1, 2, 3. So based on these things only, these 4 informations will be changed. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear? So based on this one, I'm going to start my for loop. Okay, so for integer I equal to 0, I is less than temp.length. So what I'm doing, why I'm starting the loop from 0 means because it's a known thing from my side. I'm going to start my index from 0. So I'm starting the loop from 0. Then, okay, I'll copy this. Okay, see here. Integer I equal to 0. I'm starting because my loop starts from 0 over there because index location is 0. Then I is less than temp.length. So temp.length will be what? It will be giving 1, 2, 3, 4. So for me it finishes by 3. So that's why I'm starting giving less than temp.length. So that is before 4 it will be running, that is till 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 will be running. Then I plus plus. Getting? So now what will happen? I plus plus means what? It's increment. So once the for loop is completed, the next time the loop will be what? From 0 to 1, 2, 3, like that it will be incrementing. Then I'm giving system.println temp of I. So temp of I means what will happen right now? First it will be, when the loop starts, it will be 0, then it will be 1 and 2 and 3, and when it becomes as 4, then 4 is less than 4. No, it is not less than 4, comes out of the loop. This is what? An array. Okay, the loop will be used and then it will be printed. Clear, guys? Everyone is clear about this one? So anyone has any doubts, please let me know. Okay, it's a simple concept, okay, but it is widely used in our side in Selenium. Then after that, I'm going to give, so now what happened? It will be printing me THERINSHVEST here. These 4 information will be printed now. Then I'm going to give string x is equal to 100 integer dot parsing. I told that each and every data type have its own wrapper class. Correct? Okay, each and every class have its own wrapper class over there. So integer dot parsing. Okay, there is a static method in the integer class. So what will happen now if I pass that 100? Okay, that 100, that value over here, what will happen? That will be converting the string to an integer. Okay, that will be converting that string to an integer. What will happen? This 100 now it will be converted to an integer number 100. Okay, that will be converted. Okay. Any doubts on this one for anyone? Yeah, you want me to explain 24th line? Okay, so here str.split of A. Okay, so what this str.split of A? Just a second. Yeah, so str.split of A, what is going to do means, right now, what is this str? The str is this, the rains have started here. Correct? So I'll go to the paint, see here, the rains have started here. So which are the places we have the A? If you see, I have it in these places. So A, here we have, then A here, then all these things. Okay, so these so these places we have the A. Clear? So now if I split it, it will be splitted based on this one. See here. Okay. Then INSH, then BEST. Okay, so like these things it has been given. Okay, that's the point. Okay, so this is what your question now. So we have split it right now like this. Then after that, all those things will be loaded under the array variable. Clear this? This is how it has been. Okay, so now if 2 consecutive A, then it would be blank. No, based on the first A, it will be taken. Okay, so yeah, that is you're saying a keyword. In between it will be empty. Correct. In between it will be empty. Yeah, correct. Yes. So everyone understood about this for loop also, no? So now I'll go string x is equal to 100. So now integer dot parseInt. Okay, the integer has a method called parseInt. Okay, so that one, if I'm passing the x value which is 100, okay, which is a string. Okay, if I pass, what will happen? That 100 now will be converted into an integer. Okay, this double quotes will be removed and then converted to an integer which is I. Okay, so what will happen right now for me? So this one will be now stored under an integer value because now I converted into an integer here. Yeah, there is a question. A will not print. Yes, correct. Because based on the A only we are splitting it, so A will not be printed. So that's why remaining about the A, other things have been taken. Clear? So now I stored the integer value over here. Just a second, guys. Okay, yeah. So I store the integer value. Then I'm printing. See I. What is the I value right now? It is 100. And then I plus 10, integer plus 10, what will happen? That will be added. So 110. Then x plus 10. X is what right now? It's a string. So string plus a number will be also concatenated. So 100, 10. Then I'm going to give xy, string xy is equal to hello 100. Now what will happen? It's a string. Correct? So word plus number. Now z equal to hello. Okay. Then after that, integer dot parseInt z I'm giving. So what is the z? This is hello. So now if I give it over here into the I1, now what will happen? It will throw me an error. Why means this one can be converted to a number, but this one you cannot convert it to a number over there because hello is a word. Okay, you cannot convert that. The only thing is what that parseInt will do means it will remove the double quotes. Okay, it will remove the double quotes. If the double quotes is removed, it will be changed as a number. Okay, the same thing here we cannot do like that. Okay, is that? So system.println I1. So sorry, now what happened? It will throw me an error here only. The remaining lines will not be executed. See now what is the error it has been given means number format exception for input string hello, because I'm trying to convert that to a integer which is not possible. That's why number format exception is being given. And then if I come over here, can you see string class? So string class is my class name. Okay, if error comes, this is how you have to identify string class Java 36. That means in the 36th line I'm having the error. Okay, sometimes you might be seeing this numbers will not be there. So how means right click this place. Can you see show line numbers? Okay, now it will not be shown. If you want the numbers, show line numbers. So if you click on it, it will go to that line. So now in case if I want to go to the 10th line, okay, what is the shortcut mean? Okay, for example, if this is a very long program, 1000 lines of code is there, I cannot scroll and go for each and every time. There is a shortcut. Control L. Okay, then if I press 10, okay, enter 10, click on OK, it will go to the 10th line. Clear, guys? So everyone is clear about this usage of the string class, which is a very important program. Okay, so because everything, whatever I showed you, everything you'll be using in our Selenium. That's the main thing. Okay, that's the main usage of this program. So we have to understand it properly. Can I go to the next one? So there is a, okay, what is the shortcut of Alt N? What is it, Syed? Alt N shortcut. What is it? I'm not getting. What is Alt N? I have not used Alt N. That is giving that is Alt means actually it's like what is the thing means. Can you see when I press Alt, it's not only here, everywhere. When you press Alt, it will denote me this menu bars here. Okay, can you see there is an underscore in each and everything? Can you see? Okay, for example, if I pressed Alt now, if I press E, edit will be opened. If I press now, here P is there, na? or D is there now. Can you see which are the things are underlined? Okay, that letter if I type it, that will be for me will be executed. If I press D, what will happen? That will be deleted. This will be trying to delete it. Okay, N, all those things. Same thing. See, now I press Alt. Then if I press A, which is underlined for A, the search here. Okay, that will be open now. Then if I again press F, this file will be open, or X means this one. So like that, information will be open. That's what this job gets. Okay, yeah. Control N to go to a line. Control N. That is actually, it's Control N is actually what to open a new one. Okay, that is actually if I want to open a new project. The same thing if you do it over there in your Chrome, na, Control N, that opens a new window. The same thing if I press Control T, it's open a new tab. If I press Control Shift N, that opens a private browsing. That is actually what cookies and cache memory will not be there. Control Shift N. You went to a particular line with shortcut. That is actually what Control plus L. Control plus L. For shortcut keys, I don't have a special doc or something, but you can Google and then we can get it over there. See, you can just give like this: shortcuts in Eclipse. Okay, if you give over there, you will be getting it. See, here are a lot of shortcuts over there. You can just go Google and then you can get it over there. Okay, so the thing is actually what getting it will be very much easier. The only thing is actually what regularly practicing it will make you easier. Okay, see, a lot of things are there. Okay, Control Shift R for finding any resource file including config XML files. So for example, I press Control Shift R. Okay, I got it. See, I'm going to give information constructor. Can you see? When I give, I'm getting lot of options here. So what is this one? Constructor.java. Java basics one, source basic one. That is Java basic one is my project name. Under the source folder, under the basic one package. Can you see here? I'll just cancel. Okay, Java basics one. Okay, Control Shift R. Constructor when I give, can you see? Java basic one, source. Under the basic one package only I'm having this constructor. Okay, that one. Same, the constructor is there also present under that other things also. Which file you want to open, you select it and then if you open, that will be opened. Clear? This also is a very important one. Control Shift R. Okay. You can just Google and then you can get lot of shortcuts which will be very much easier for you. Okay. So can I go further? You have seen about the string class. Can I go further? Okay. So now we'll start with inheritance. Okay. Just a second, there is some. Okay, yeah. So inheritance. What is this inheritance concept over there is going to do? So still now we have written a single program. Okay, so we execute the program from a single file and then after that we have used only single class. So how I can write two classes in a single program? Okay, so that's what we're going to see. So now I'll go to the assignments. I'm going to create a new class. Okay, so what is the class name right now? Means actually what? Understanding classes. Okay, this is my class name. Then after that I'll give public static void main and then I'll click on finish. So now the class is finished. Execute, create. So now what I will do, I'll come to the, I'll go and open the original location, the original folder location. It's for your understanding, okay, because if you understand this concept, you will also know backend what's happening. That's fine. So now if you see, understanding classes has been created. Okay, the same thing if I come to the bin folder, here also what, understanding classes is there. So I'm going to create a class, okay, that is a file, source folder, and then after that assignments. I'll just write here itself one more class, that is, okay, what I'll give is actually what, same thing, I'll copy, I'll give the name alone different, understanding classes underscore 1. Okay, so this one I've given here it as public. So what's happening, it has been throwing me an error. What is the error means? The public type understanding classes 1 must be defined in its own file. Okay, so the original file name, the Java file name is what? Understanding classes, correct? So here I cannot use it over there. So I'll remove that public. Okay, you will come to know about this public, private, default, all those things, access modifiers very soon. Okay, right now I've removed it. So I saved this file. Now if I come to the original folder location. So if you see, understanding classes there, understanding classes 1 is not there. If I come to the bin folder, if you see, here understanding classes 1 is there. That means for each and everything, whatever I create a class, for that mandatorily for me, one class file will be created for me. That's what. Clear guys? Mandatorily one class will be created. Java file might not be created, but a class file will be created, because I told you always the executions will be happening from the class file only. Correct? So that's why a class file will be created, because for us execution is what important. Okay, so that's why a class file is created. The JVM will execute that class file. So now I have two classes. So for example, I have here integer I is equal to 10. So then I. Now I can execute the. Now I can print this 10. Correct? How can a file have two classes with main? Yes, we can have it. Okay, we can have it over there. The thing is, okay, Java identifies the information based on this keywords only. Okay, so what will happen right now? I have two files, but which will be executed? Two classes are there. When I'm going to give run, which will be executed? For that, if you see, right click, run as Java application. When I give, can you see it's giving me two class names? Okay, any one only can be executed at a single point. So which one I want to execute, I need to select it, then I click on OK. Now that will be executed. Clear? This clears your doubt, Rajnish? Then we could have a file name with understanding classes 1.java. Yeah, correct. The thing is, if you create a new Java file, that will be also done. Okay, it's not mandatory that actually what, always I need to create a class file in a separate Java file. Okay, so it's like actually what, I can also have it under the same class, same Java file also in another class. That is also possible. The main intention is actually what, the class files is what actually is important, because that is only needed for execution. Clear? Rajesh, is that your doubt clear? Okay, just a second, there's another doubt. Okay, so someone has raised the hand, we'll see. Hey Ramesh, you have a doubt? Hello? Hey Ramesh, you have raised the hand, you have a doubt? Okay, so I'll go further. So now, So we got these two classes. So now what I'm going to do means, just a second, yeah. So now I'm going to, okay, I have a local variable. Okay, this local variable is a known thing which we can have it. Hey Ramesh, you have a doubt? You have raised your hand. Yeah, I'll unmute you.
Hi.
Hey Ramesh.
Yeah. Hi Murli. My question is like
Yeah,
whatever
yes.
the inheritance class we are talking, right? So in real scenario,
Correct.
where we use this? It is what?
Inheritance is what? Inheritance is what means, for tell me.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Tell me. Okay.
No,
So
I
what
don't
is
know.
inheritance? Sorry.
Go ahead,
Can I
Murli.
explain?
Go
Sure,
ahead,
okay.
Murli. I don't-
So what is, yeah, sure. Okay. So what is inheritance means? So from my side, I'm going to have a class called ABC. Okay. Then I'm going to have another class called XYZ. So what is that concept here means? Actually, that XYZ class also should have the properties of the ABC class. For example, it is like this. Okay, for example, I'm having a class. Okay, for example, there is a class called parent. Okay, there is a class called child. Okay, so what is inheritance in a simple way? You have, for example, you have your father's property, correct? So it's like your father will be acting in a different way. The same actions will be done by your side also. So what is the thing? You are inheriting your father's property over there. That is, you became as like your father or as like your mother over there. They will be saying it. So that means same actions what your father is doing, you are also going to have that. So what is my intention here to say means, for example, the same properties if you are going to have it in class A and then in class B also, means what will happen right now from my side, it will be like a duplicate. So it's like adding extra code. The same information if we are going to write it one more time is of no use. Instead of that one, we can inherit that property. So if I inherit the properties of A class, what will happen? The B class will have the properties of A class plus B class both. That's what. Okay. Still, I have not gone to the inheritance full and full. Okay. Once I go over there, I'll make you understand in a clear way, because right now I have not started only. Okay. Once I start the inheritance, I'll make you in understanding in a clear way. This is what as of now. Okay. The child class will have the parent class information. That's what.